Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. In today's video, we'll talk about 6 players. We will talk about uThulani Gumede, uPule Modi, sikhulume ngoMbekezeli Mbokazi, sithi Ime Okon versus Valanga 2 Kaizer Chiefs players that I believe ukuthi they are the future of iBafana Bafana. We'll talk about Aiden McCarthy and Roshan Totle. Kodwa ke niyalazi udaba nani ukuthi ngaphambi ukuthi siye kude, cela ningisize ngento yodwa. By liking on the video, it is very important. Ngiyacela bandla. And then subscribing to the channel, it will be something that you do because you feel like ukuthi whatever that I'm giving you as a content, it is conducive to you. As well as sihlalo dabeni. I think yesterday there was a report that says the Kaizer Chiefs made an inquiry about a player, uThulani Gumede from Richards Bay. He's 25 years of age. He played a total of 21 games this season and he scored 2 times and assisted 3 times. So uThulani Gumede plays 3 positions. He's an attacking midfielder, it's a right winger and a left wing. And if you look at a player like Upule Modi at Chiefs, they are the same profile of players. They rely on speed. And you look at Upule Modi, you look at Thulani Gumede. Thulani Gumede is still a youngster, he's still energetic. He can give you those runs behind the defense. He can be able to make sure the opponent's fullback doesn't get to relax. And he has a workload that I believe if Kaizer Chiefs were to make him a priority by signing him, I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will be making a bad decision. Because you look at the age, you look at the player itself, you look at the player like Upule Modi at Chiefs. Upule Modi, I believe if there's one thing that is keeping him at Chiefs right now, it's his work rate. It's not equality. Upule Modi is 33 years old. That tells you even if Kaizer Chiefs would want to keep him, it will be a decision made because of they still rate his work rate, not the quality. Looking at the age, which is 33, you know very well he won't give you much. But what he was doing, helping out defensive, especially Bradley Cross when Kaizer Chiefs was playing against tricky and speedy wingers, it is commendable. But if you take work rate away, you look at the player itself, there are things that are questionable about Upule Modi. His decision making in the final third, it is questionable because we are not talking about a player that is still trying to be a renowned player. He is a senior player. He's an old player, 33 years old. So that's something I think it might be putting him in a situation Kaizer Chiefs would want to keep him, but they would think otherwise. No. We are even looking at his age. They look at the players that they have that can play that position. And I'm talking about uThulani Gumede, he can be a good replacement for Upule Modi. Yes, experience akanayo, but we'll be betting on the potential because we know very well he can grow well, and in an environment like Kaizer Chiefs, he's a player that I believe he can also offer what Upule Modi is offering at Chiefs in terms of tracking back, helping the defense. Yes, the stats are not that good. He played 21 games this season. He scored 2 times and assisted 3 times. Upule Modi played 31 times. He scored twice and assisted once. And now you look at Kaizer Chiefs, you look at the path they are headed. You see the direction is simple. Let's try and get our youngsters, but let's blend them in with our senior players because we believe they can offer the club something big. You're looking at players like Abumfundo Vilakazi, Abu Batman, Abu Naledi Hlongwane. You can name a few. but you see ukuthi this is the vision. It's unfortunate ukuthi so far the team is not doing that well, is not winning trophies, but if the coach can make them blend, can make them work, I believe ukuthi it might be a good strategy for Kaizer Chiefs. Looking at the age of these youngsters, and you know very well ukuthi they can grow together. So what do you think about Uthulani Gumede as a replacement Kapule Mode? Is he a good player or not? Or you still want Ulangelihle Phili? Kaizer Chiefs must do everything within their power to get Ulangelihle Phili. If not, let's settle for Useluleko Mahlambi. Then let's move to the 5 defenders, not the 5, but the 4 defenders that I believe they are the next big thing and the future of Bafana Bafana. And one thing that I like about these players is that they are young. There's still room for improvement. The ceiling is huge for them to reach. Sibugile Bafana Bafana. They got eliminated from the FIFA World Cup. We saw players like Umbegezile Mbogazi, Ime Okon. Just look at their age, and then you look at the next FIFA World Cup is in 2030. I believe that by that time, there will be prominent figures in South African football, Ime Okon and Umbegezile Mbogazi, especially if the teams that they are playing for or the teams they will play for in future will give them that opportunity for them to become players that we will rely on Bafana Bafana. This generation of defenders, it is a generation I'd say it produced good defenders, because it's not only about defending, but they are good on the ball, they are calm, their passing ability is very good. So I believe we have the future of Bafana Bafana in these 2 players. And I believe they could have been Kaizer Chiefs players, but it happened kwenzeka lokho kwenzeka. But the future is too bright. I want to compare them with these 2 players of Kaizer Chiefs, Rushin Dotli and Aaron McCarthy. We might say yeah, they were overlooked by Hugo Bruce because they are playing for Kaizer Chiefs. Even though we know they are good players, especially Aaron McCarthy. Aaron McCarthy made his breakthrough for Kaizer Chiefs last season, and we saw he's capable of doing great things in future. And the Kaizer Chiefs ended up selling him, of which I believe it was not a good idea, but they had no control over the situation because of that sell-on clause. So it simply means if it happens Upito Mosimane, as they say, he's the leading candidate to take over as Bafana Bafana coach, simply means now the players will be selected based on merit. So if ever these 2 they get to do well, McCarthy no longer achieves vele, even if nanoma kuthiwa uyaqhubeka Hugo Bruce, we know very well okay, ama-chances abizwe sewamaningi manje, because we know okay, he's one player that is good aerially, he can compete with ground jewels and also passing range long and short. But it's not only about that, it's about how he makes sure at the back he's solid. Look at the player like Rushin Dotli. I have a question here, if Rushin Dotli did not get that long injury and he was fit for Kaizer Chiefs, do you think he was going to bench Mbogazi Bafana Bafana? Because we know he's a Rolls Royce of a defender. He's good also now defensively, aerially he's good, and also he has that aggression. But one thing about him is that ability to play the ball. Those are kind of defenders you need in the modern football that are able to build from the back because of their ability to play the ball. We see there's Mbogazi, there's McCarthy. I forgot to mention Kuhlman Enderman. Could you look at this left center back competition? You count Mbokazi. Just imagine in future how difficult will it be for the coach to select the best left center back. But okwamanje kusamele sihambe ngabani ngoMbokazi because amagalelo wakhe ayabonakala. You tell me what do you think about everything that I talked about? Uthulane Gumede, will he be a good addition to the squad of Kaizer Chiefs? Rather replace Upule Mode, of which I believe with his age will be against him in terms of making a decision. Should we keep him or not? And then comment about those young center backs I've mentioned. What's so good about them that it becomes unavoidable not to notice them every time when they play?